Yo, what's up everybody? It's TextVid here and we're back again with another video. This time we're diving deep into the world of video editing laptops for 2024. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your creative journey, you know the right laptop can make or break your workflow. We're talking smooth 4K timelines, buttery smooth transitions, and rendering times that don't require a lunch break. Choosing the wrong laptop can mean laggy previews, frustrating crashes, and projects that never seem to end. But don't worry, in this video, we'll break down the top laptops for video editing in 2024. We're talking specs, performance, and all the nitty-gritty details to help you find the perfect machine for your needs. First up, we have the reigning champion of video editing laptops, the MacBook Pro 16-inch. This beast of a machine is packing some serious firepower, and this year's model is no exception. We're talking about the new M2 Pro or Max chip, which is basically like giving a rocket engine to your video editing software. But it's not just about raw power. Apple's known for its incredible displays, and the 16-inch Liquid Retina XDR display on this MacBook Pro is a sight to behold. It's like having a professional-grade monitor built right into your laptop, with stunning color accuracy and HDR capabilities that'll make your videos pop. And let's not forget about that buttery smooth promotion refresh rate. Whether you're scrubbing through timelines or watching back your edited masterpieces, everything just flows effortlessly on this display. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about ports? Don't worry, Apple heard you this time. The 2024 MacBook Pro 16-inch comes with a full suite of ports, including HDMI, South Dakota card slots, and Thunderbolt 4, so you can connect all your peripherals without breaking a sweat. But it's not just the hardware that makes this laptop a video editing powerhouse. macOS is known for its stability and optimization, and Final Cut Pro, Apple's professional video editing software, is a force to be reckoned with on this machine. The combination of macOS and Final Cut Pro is a match made in heaven for video editors. The software just flies on this hardware, and you get access to a ton of powerful features and a super intuitive interface. Of course, no laptop is perfect, and the MacBook Pro 16-inch does come with a premium price tag. But if you're serious about video editing and you demand the absolute best performance, this laptop is worth every penny. It's a workhorse that can handle anything you throw at it, and the stunning display will make your videos look better than ever before. Plus, that battery life though, you can actually edit on the go without worrying about your laptop dying on you mid-project. So, if you're looking for the ultimate video editing machine and money isn't an issue, the MacBook Pro 16-inch 2024 is the clear winner. It's powerful, it's beautiful, and it's built to handle even the most demanding video editing tasks. Alright, moving on to another heavy hitter in the video editing laptop arena, the Dell XPS 17 2024. Now, if you're looking for a Windows powerhouse that can go toe-to-toe with the MacBook Pro, the XPS 17 is a serious contender. This laptop is packing some serious heat with the latest Intel 13th Gen processors and NVIDIA RTX 40 series graphics. Dell didn't hold back on performance with this one, and it really shows in the benchmarks. We're talking about blazing fast rendering times, smooth 4K video editing, and the ability to handle even the most complex effects without breaking a sweat. But it's not just about raw power with the XPS 17. Dell also stepped up their display game this year. They've got this gorgeous 17-inch Infinity Edge display with minimal bezels, so you get a truly immersive viewing experience. And for all you creators out there, the display also comes with optional touch and pen support, which can be super handy for those quick edits or when you want to get creative with your video projects. And just like the MacBook Pro, the XPS 17 doesn't skimp on ports either. You've got Thunderbolt 4, USB-A, an SD card slot, and even an HDMI port, so you can connect to all your peripherals without needing a million dongles. Now let's talk about the Windows side of things. Windows is obviously known for its compatibility with a wide range of software, including industry-standard video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. And with the powerful hardware under the hood of the XPS 17, you can be sure that these applications will run buttery smooth. You'll be able to edit your videos without any lag or stuttering, and rendering times will be significantly faster compared to less powerful machines. Overall, the Dell XPS 17 2024 is an absolute beast of a laptop that's perfect for video editors who need a powerful and reliable machine. It's got the performance, the display, and the connectivity to handle anything you throw at it, and it's all wrapped up in a sleek and stylish design. So, we've talked about the heavy hitters, but what about something a little more portable? That's where the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 2024 comes in. Don't let its compact size fool you. This little machine is a video editing powerhouse in disguise. We're talking about the latest AMD Ryzen 9 processors and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics packed into a chassis that's incredibly thin and light. Seriously, this thing is ridiculously portable, making it perfect for creators who are always on the go. But don't let the portability make you think it compromises on performance. The Zephyrus G14 can handle 1440p video editing like a champ, and even some light 4K editing if you're willing to be a little patient with render times. And for a laptop this size, the display is surprisingly good. We're talking a 14-inch ROG Nebula display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and Pantone validation for accurate colors. It's not quite as color accurate as the MacBook Pro or the XPS 17, but it's definitely more than good enough for most video editing tasks. Plus, the smaller screen size doesn't feel as cramped as you might think, thanks to the slim bezels around the display. Now, when it comes to ports, the Zephyrus G14 doesn't disappoint either. You've got USB-C, HDMI, a microSD card reader, and even a headphone jack, which is becoming increasingly rare these days. But here's the thing about the Zephyrus G14 that really sets it apart: the battery life. This thing can last for hours on end, even with demanding tasks like video editing. You can actually get a decent amount of work done without having to hunt for a power outlet, which is a game changer for creators who are always on the move. So, if you're looking for a powerful and portable video editing laptop that won't break the bank, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 2024 is definitely worth checking out. It's the perfect balance of performance, portability, and affordability. Now let's talk about a laptop that's perfect for creators who need a versatile machine that can handle both video editing and other creative tasks. The HP Spectre X36015 2024 is a 2-in-1 convertible laptop that's all about flexibility and style. This sleek machine is powered by the latest 13th Gen Intel Core processors and Iris Xe graphics. It's not going to blow you away with raw power like the MacBook Pro or the XPS 17, but it's more than capable of handling 1080p video editing and even some light 4K editing if you're patient. But where the Spectre X360 really shines is in its versatility. The 360-degree hinge allows you to flip the screen all the way around, transforming it from a laptop into a tablet. This makes it super handy for note-taking, drawing, or even just watching videos on the go. And the included HP Tilt Pen is responsive and accurate, making it a joy to use for creative tasks. You can edit videos with precision, draw directly on the screen, or even take handwritten notes directly in your video editing software. The display itself is also a highlight of the Spectre X 360/15. It's a gorgeous 15.6-inch OLED display with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent viewing angles. It's not quite as bright as some other laptops on this list, but it's still more than bright enough for most indoor use. And let's not forget about the audio quality. The Spectre X 360/15 packs a punch with its Bang & Olufsen speakers. They get surprisingly loud and clear, which is great for watching videos or editing audio directly on the laptop. Now, because it's a 2-in-1, the Spectre X 360/15 is a little thicker and heavier than some of the other laptops on this list, but it still feels incredibly well-built and premium, and the added versatility is definitely worth the trade-off for some creators. If you're looking for a stylish and versatile 2-in-1 laptop that can handle video editing and other creative tasks, the HP Spectre X 360/15 2024 is definitely worth considering. It's a great all-rounder that won't disappoint. Finally, let's talk about a laptop that's perfect for professionals who need a powerful and reliable machine for video editing and other demanding tasks. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Extreme Gen 4 2024 is a business-class laptop that doesn't skimp on performance. This beast of a machine is packing the latest 12th Gen Intel Core i9 processors and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti graphics. It's a powerhouse that can handle just about anything you throw at it, from 4K video editing to 3D rendering. But the ThinkPad X1 Extreme Gen 4 isn't just about raw power. It's also built to last, with Lenovo's legendary build quality and durability. This thing can take a beating, making it the perfect choice for professionals who are always on the go. And let's not forget about that iconic ThinkPad keyboard. It's a dream to type on, with deep key travel and a satisfying click. If you do a lot of typing, whether it's writing scripts or responding to emails, you'll appreciate the keyboard on this machine. The display is no slouch either. It's a 16-inch IPS display with a 16:10 aspect ratio, which gives you a bit more vertical space for working with timelines. And with Dolby Vision HDR support and factory-calibrated color accuracy, you can be sure that your videos will look their best on this screen. Now, the ThinkPad X1 Extreme Gen 4 is not the most portable laptop on this list. It's a bit bulky and heavy, but that's the trade-off for the power and durability that it offers. And while it's not as sleek and stylish as some of the other laptops on this list, it makes up for it with its practicality and performance. So, if you're a professional who needs a powerful and reliable laptop for video editing and other demanding tasks, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Extreme Gen 4 2024 is definitely worth considering. It's a workhorse that won't let you down. So there you have it, guys. Those are the top laptops for video editing in 2024. We've got everything from powerful workhorses to portable powerhouses and versatile 2-in-1s. No matter what your budget or your needs are, there's sure to be a laptop on this list that's perfect for you. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments which laptop you're rocking with for your video editing needs, or if you're planning to upgrade to one of these beasts. Until next time, peace out.